All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. My name is Hassan. They call me H. We are live. It's the first of the month, coming off my first green month in a year. Sheesh. Talk about persistence. What's up, everybody?
OWL.
Big Brian in the house. Free Pony, Rob, OG. Good morning.
ZETA.
Good morning. So, my plan for today is to sit back, let the open shake out, and then see what's popping.
ZETA.
So, I'm just going to lean back, let everything shake out, and then we'll go from there, man. Then we'll go from there. How you guys doing? Yo, what's up, Supernova? Same to you, sir. No trade day? Oh, yeah, work. uh,
OWL.
how pre-market treat you, Bobby? Bobby and Brian. Guys are both pre-market warriors. Any trades today yet, OG? Small red. Gotta keep it tight. That's what's up, Bobby. LABT. Labbed. LABT. Alright. A little popper there. I notice it doesn't show me the names of the stocks anymore in my title bar. Is that something I did?
RIOT. ZETA.
Yo, Wave Rider. What's up, bro? Where would that be at? Seemed like that would have been up here. Show title. Maybe it's area configure. No, I don't think that would be it. Show label. No, that. Oh well. Left my watch at home. So
AXTI.
no AXTI. What's up with that? Ooh, that looks kind of nice. Pretty expensive though. It's expensive and spready. Everything's so expensive. Riot is looking pretty solid though. Yeah, Riot is number one. ZETA getting slapped below 5% now. Oh no. It's a pretty nasty wick there, buddy. Pretty nasty wick. Yeah, I think ZETA is probably done for the day. Team. Man, these expensive stocks, the spread is just like diabolical. I don't want nothing to do with those. I really like that $20 to $30 price range. 10 to 20. Riot looks real saucy. All right, Brian, that's what's up. I aspire to your consistency, my friend.
AXTI.
I'm really blown away at my green month, but now it's just like, can I do it again? Can I do it again? I'm looking forward to doing a weekend review on my losses. A month end of month review on my losses to try to make sense, try to better understand. I think for the most part it's just me rushing in at the open. I feel like most of my max loss days happen like really fast, like back to back at the beginning of the trading session. I take the first loss and then I kind of spiral from there. This is looking anomalous. That wick is nasty though. Right at yesterday's high. Yesterday was pretty high volume day too, which was just basically from the end of day. Don't look like a terrible spot to try it right here off of yesterday's high, but geez. Nah. Nah, I'm about to take Zeta off. Let's put AXTI right there for kicks. Even though the spread is just like, nah, it's too expensive, man. Even team is really too expensive. What up, T-Boy? Welcome to the new month. We have arrived. Usually when I come in, because I keep my account is super small, and usually at the end of the month I've depleted my account, and when I log in on the first, it says user closed, and I gotta send a deposit, email Andy, ask him to set me up for DOS again. But today I sat and opened my platform and it just opened right on up. I was like, hey. Hey. Still here. I did still send over a deposit to cover my platform fees, but so I could have a little buying power. But yeah, man, maybe this month I can cover my platform fees. We shall see. How's it going, Knives? I seen you had a nice little trade on 20R unrealized. Bruh, you be having so much unrealized, bro. Oh no, I've been at $5 risk all last month, Bobby. I think, or I might have switched. I might have moved up like the second week of last month, and I was very tempted to move up to 10, but I'm trying to stand on business because I kind of cheated moving up to 5. Because what happened? Oh no, that was at the beginning of the month because I did one trade a day, and I was like, well, if I'm gonna do one trade a day, then my max loss is one trade, so I might as well do $5 instead of 2. Because my max loss was 6 with $2, so you know. And then I went back to multiple trades and kept the $5 risk. So 15R is my line in the sand to move up to the next risk level. Yeah, no doubt. If I when I get to 15R, I'm moving up to 10. So I'm thinking maybe I probably need to reset the R counter at the beginning of the month to actually, pad my account before I move up. It's a nice problem to have. Yeah. This is interesting here. I like that two candle pullback there. Really need to see it test another low though. Yeah, something like that. Really don't want to spend much time looking at the one today because it really lures me into lures me into 23 RA. Ole do it. Let's see what this candle talking about here. Really needed to close at this point because taking the close from that low is just too wide. Feel you. I feel you, Knives. Do you have our target to sell, or is it a level that you have on the chart that you like a target, a price target? Like what's your criteria for closing the swing or taking profit, I guess? Sell on day 3, then trail. Okay. I like simple, man. I like simple. Riot is the number one on volume. AXTI is the number one on. I don't know. I guess Team is the number one on Gap, and it's rolling pretty nicely. It's rolling pretty nicely. It was a nice little 5-minute hold of this level too. Level to level move right there. Bloop bloop. But I'm just chilling, man. FOMO is not what it's cracked up to be. Yeah, just gotta pick one and stick with it, huh? Okay, this wick is getting kind of vicious. What's going on over here? It's kind of nice. Yep. Mm-hmm. 6 green candles in a row. Where are you looking at? Oh, on the 15. Yeah, she is up there. That's a pretty solid wick up there too. I'm liking this low volume here though on this candle. We'll see where it closes at. Kind of a big wick. Just inside the opening range too. At that point, it's like, why don't you come on down here to pre-market high? Yeah, it's looking kind of nasty. What does the volume say here? The pullback was pretty low on volume. 1858. This is 54.
Order filled.
Let's try that out. 29 aura.
EL.
Got some shares sitting there at 19. What is that? The Discord?
EL.
Man, we can take out 19. That's looking pretty nice. There we go. 19 on the bid. 1901. 31R. Good
EL.
Lord. What are you in again, Knives? Did you say? Got me wanting to take a peek, bro. LWLG. I don't know. I'm about to get to profit over here, though. Looking pretty nice. Nice little pew pew. High of day is 1930. Where am I expecting this? We got this high over here at 1939.
HUN.
Needed to go to 20. LWLG it was? Sheesh. That mug is running. Hey, yo, you in at 1213? Dang, that's down here from yesterday. You got in yesterday? That looks nice. More. More. More better. Dang, you ain't gotta slide like that. You ain't gotta slide like that. Okay, I'm gonna stop to break even.
EL.
Yeah, 40R is a lot to give back, bro. To let turn into a red trade for sure. Yeah, that's awesome, bro. I hope that Joker keep running. You don't like it, Rob?
EL. EL.
Yeah, I see that 1930 level for sure.
Order filled.
HUN. AIG.
All right, Rob.
AIG. HUN. HUN.
Come on, 20. There you go.
BTSG.
Nice. Got some shares sitting at 25. Hmm.
HUN. AIG.
Team coming back down. Mm-mm-mm-mm. It's not the most attractive 5-minute candle right there. But the volume on it's pretty low.
AIG. HUN.
It's looking like another ad, kind of, but I'm chilling. I'm trying to be that aggressive.
HUN.
Love to see a new high, and then I can move my stop up under that low, and we'll call it cool. Here we go. Back over 19. 19 gang. Come on, stretch them legs.
HUN. HUN.
Eee. What you doing all that for? I like this slow pullback though. If it can just get some legs back. Aww. See, if I stop out on this trade, I'm not going to be mad about anything. Maybe the ad, but I think the ad's cool. I could have waited for some more red to add, but or tried to snag it a little lower on the one. But like this would be the place to add for real after those two red candles on lower volume. Yeah, that's nice, much nicer. But I got a nice place to put my stop right under break even. Should this thing make another high? This is actually really nice. Just needed to run. Like I love this setup right here. Now we just gotta run. Nice little volume pop on that. Come on, man. Where's the bids? Yo, what up, Stanford? Come on, take back 19. That's what I'm talking about. Now go forth. Go forth and make new highs. Labbed. Can't stay over 19, bruh. Can't stay over 19. That's a nice little 15-minute consolidation candle there. I'm chilling. Yeah. What up, Trey? How we doing this morning? Man, this thing lollygagging, bro. Lollygagging. Man, appreciate it. See if it pays off. Nice. How many auras? No, Didn't sell nothing. I was up to something. $1.6. Okay, okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, it is extended on the 15. I'm just hoping for a little consolidation. It don't look bad though. I seen this before. It's a very chill pullback on lower and lower volume. Just waiting to see if we're gonna kick back in to the upside or not. I don't know. Joker just keep dipping. Just keep dipping. With you right there, Trey. If it stays right here though on this 15, it's really not terrible. But I mean, we here now. See where this candle closes. Hoping for a little wick on the bottom. Love for it to close over 90. Got 30 seconds. Looking fantastic.
HUN.
Yeah. This is gonna be new 5 minute, new 15 minute. Oh, some sellers at 96, pretty heavy. Look like we bottom out though. Well, this is the highest volume gainer, so this is what I would move to. It just doesn't look bad to me. It's taking a while for the buyers to step back in, but it's pretty much what I wanted to see. Just, you'd like them to step in a little sooner, but you know, the longer the consolidation, the better the next leg. Yeah, I'm good though. I don't want to increase my risk. We take out this high at 1906, then the stop's going to BE. Come on, 19. I gotta get that clip from Happy Gilmore. He's telling the ball to go to your home. Just go to your home. Yeah. I'm an intraday investor though, Rob. Just give it some time to cook. How we looking over here? Ew, that's some big red right there. Some big red. Like that. Like that. Yeah. That's not what I want to see here. Can we hold it? Hold it? Come on, this is it right here. Pop on over that. Back to 90. over 90. There it is. There it is. Give him a pass on that one. Come on, bruh. Just lower high after lower high after lower high. Yeah. Okay, that's looking better. That's looking better. Stocks are criminals. Ain't that the truth? Dang. This mug does not want to go, bro. Spy is doing fantabulous. 724. Good lord. All-time highs. Come on, Riot. What is your deal? What's the catalyst again on this? Earnings, beat estimate. Come on, man. Come on, man.
AIG.
Squeeze them shorties out. Redemption song. Redemption song. Man, with my emotions over here, bro. Man, that's dreamy right there, OG. 3 months in a row. Oh my God. I would be absolutely convinced that I made it. Absolutely convinced. Oh. What, buying the break of high, OG? Dang, bruh. No stop losses. They just get in the way, man. Yeah, that's for sure, for sure. Man, I hate to see this thing back down at 80 like that. 81's been pretty significant for the last 15 minutes. Tapped 80 on that one. Man, I just feel like if we could take back 19, we could really get some work done here. A nice little flag brewing. Little 15-minute flag. Looks so ready to curl, man. Looking to move this stop up to 78. I'm gonna ride it out, man. I'm gonna ride it out. I'm not convinced that it's done at all. Even though it's working really hard to convince me. It's working really hard. There we go. There's some life. There's some life. A little high on the 5.
AIG.
Right. I'm thinking 19.5 on the sale on this one. See what it looks like. Nice volume here. Come on, bro. We got to go. We got to go. Down to 34. Yeah, go. Come on, man.
AIG.
Come on, man. Look at that flag, though.
AIG.
I kind of want to buy, Rob.
AIG.
uh, I ain't gonna hold you. There we go. Come on, let's get that 15-minute high in. Back over 19. Bruh. 18.99 on this candle here. Gotta take something along the way. I've been thinking about that. But highest volume gainer. It really hasn't done much of a range yet today. If I got the dip, I mean, this thing could really run, you know. Qual Maggie. Just that name alone sounds like it's a really sophisticated strategy. The Qual Maggie. Put my pinky out for that. Qual Maggie. The Qual Maggie system. Yo, what up, Pond? Taking the 1-to-1. Oh man, I can't though, bro. I'm not a 1-to-1 trader. How's it going, Pond? Just not a 1-to-1, bro. I need the big ducats. Yep. $19.02. All right, stop up to 78. So 3 cents risk now on this bad boy. If she fails from here, we'll take the tiny paper cut. Bet more. Now I already added to this bad boy and we're under my ad, so I'll let it ride from here. Man, the market went crazy, HH. I just glanced over and saw like, dang, bruh. Did it touch 725? Finally broke 1906. That's what I'm talking about. Bet less. Take the money. Do I see what I did? Waiting for it to open to shake out? Yeah, bro, that was my whole intention this morning, was to sit back and wait. That was my whole intention, bro. I see the light. I be getting slapped up super. Like most of my red days is like three back-to-back trades super early in the day, and then I'm just done. So I'm done with that. Only another 3.5 hour to go. High a day is 1930. Yeah, starting to see the light. It's mostly stubbornness. Stubbornness, just trying to align. Yeah, the conviction is nice, Knives. Like, I'm totally, if it stops here, I feel like I did everything right, you know, and I can't be mad at that. It's just the days when I do real stupid stuff that really bothers me. But come on, man. Low volume on this pullback though. But sheesh, it's really pulling back. Kind of a blow off top on the one. Hopefully it holds up though. Could have been a loss on the ride. I mean, my initial entry and stop is pretty solid. So yeah, I mean, if it stopped, it just be like that sometimes. It just be like that. But like this entry right here, I can be happy with that. Add is a bit aggressive. I think I'd like to wait for red to add again. You know, like maybe my ad would have been here. If I was gonna add and then get going, have it pull back, this would have been the better execution that I would have been. I wouldn't have been salty about the ad like I'm feeling a little salty. But yeah, my initial entry and stop, which I maintained after the ad, I'm totally cool with. Oh, I love to add, but it takes another level of patience too to do it right. And sometimes you get a little excited when you see the green can. I felt pretty good about it because of the pullback. But I actually saw the best ad down here. It felt too close to my entry, and I didn't want it to be a double down, but it would have been a much better ad. I would have been uh I guess I never really went red for real, for real. Maybe like a penny below my average right here. But it's been pretty good to me so far. Got the new high on the 30. I feel like we could go a dollar straight to 20. Yeah, for sure, HH. I can make so much better decisions like that too. And then on the highest volume gainer, like where the attention is, you know, good catalyst. The market's hot right now, although it's pulling back massively. And even in that massive pullback in the market, Riot is still going up, showing some nice relative strength. I think we're good, man. I think we're good. I started to double my risk today, but I gotta stand on business on my plans. I can't just be doing things. So gotta get to 15R and then we'll double. The whole point of the ladder is to protect my account from big losses. Yeah, I'm chilling. All right, man. Y'all gotta let Rob. Me and Rob is cool, man. Y'all gotta let Rob do his thing. I didn't even get to see what he said. Rob's not like I need like if Red. I'm thinking about letting Red back in. Y'all gotta definitely moderate Red. But Rob's cool, man. Rob's cool. It's my guy. We've been DMing and everything. Yeah, we definitely don't see eye to eye on the process. Come on, bruh. We gotta pull back already. The spy need to chill though. The spy is like really, really tripping right now. Did some news come out? Like, what's happening? What's happening? Yeah, the moderators in here don't play Stanford. You got to be careful. I'm sorry, Rob. I'm working on my moderators. I'm trying to loosen their grip. Low 1885. Feel like I can move my stop up a little more, but I'm gonna give it room to shake. Market's trying to bounce back. Not gonna get too antsy. Come on, this gotta be the last pullback for the run, man. Need that run, dog. Back over 19. I know you want it. Bruh. Ooh, look at that. Tape looking mighty green. Mm. Bruh. Bruh. Dang. Big volume on this candle. Big volume. That's pretty climactic on the one there. Highest volume since the open. Hope that's the end of that pullback then. Not an ignition to the downside. That would be sad. But a clear place to move my stop above break even if just a penny or two. What is that? 1885. We can go to 83. If we take out 17. Yeah, that ain't bad. Man, I gotta use the bathroom, bro. Come on, 1905, get out the way. Hey, we got 24 in here, yo, on a Friday. Hit that like button for me, guys. Hit the like. Hit the like button. There we go. Got 1905 out the way. Some nice sales. I mean, some nice buys there. Hey, slap that ass. Like this. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Come on. Man. To sell it high of day or to not sell it high of day? That is the question. That is the question. Dun, dun, dun. Barry Bonds. Dun, dun, dun. We said I could move my stop up, right? Bum, bum, bum. Bro, we do not need another pullback, bro. We've been consolidating and pulling back this whole time, bro. Boy, the long game, boy. I looked at my journal showed that most of my winning trades are like an hour. We got in here at 9:45 ish. It's 10:50. Bruh. I mean, I'm in the highest volume gainer though. So I mean, you know, it's not my fault, it's molasses. It's a super nice consolidation though. I think if it breaks out, it could be bananas. Bananas. I just want to see that 17 break and I'll move my stop a couple pennies over my break even. At least we'll have risk off the table. And then we can see where we selling at. All right, OG. Thanks for hanging out, bro. I don't know, Knives. I don't know. You know, I want to be discretionary at some level because, you know, like I said, it's just, I got to play the setup. And, you know, this consolidation to me is telling me that it could really run over the highs, you know. Like, I'm really feeling like 1950 would be a great first sell at this point. Um, Actually, let's do some digging. Nah, I mean, we can sell the 90%. But oh, is that what I said? 90% at higher day? I meant to say 90% at target. Let's see. We got 1939 over here sticking out. And then after that, what's this over here? 1973. That's pretty high volume on that candle. And then we got 2092. $19.39 actually seems really reasonable. Yeah, I don't want to be greedy. Dang, knives. Ouch. Ouch. Jeez. Hurt my feelings, bro. We have crossed back over to Aura. We got this high here at 1924. I remember seeing some sellers sitting at 25. High of day is 30. And then that daily high is 39. Man, I really got to use the bathroom. It must wait. Got some climactic volume coming in here on the one. Topped at 1916. What did we get? 1918, 1917. Okay, I said when we broke 1917, I would go to 83 on my stop. Aha, I kept my word on that. Risk is off the table. There is no risk on this trade. All money, baby. Come on now. I can tell you ready. Look at that, boy. That flag broke nice. I'm telling you, this joker got 19.5 all over it. I'm going to do like 37, though. I think. Let's watch the one to see if we get some climactic. Your DRC says 2R take profit. Does it really? I need to delete that mess. I need to delete that mess. It's getting hot. There we go. Ooh-wee. Come on, get out the way, 25. I knew you was going to be up there hating. The R system confuses you? Yo, Dafticus, what's good? OnlyFans H. That's funny. Come on now. A lot. It's just my risk. Every trade I have the same risk initially anyway until I start adding, but and I have it programmed into my platform so it knows that $5 is one R, is one risk unit. And that way I can have equalized risk across all my trades. And, just makes it easy to track, easy to control risk. That sounds good. I'm down for that. I've been meaning to do a video on it, but the inspiration to do extra stuff when you're not doing well in the market is super low. Super low. Butt naked. Bucky, did y'all notice we was butt naked today? Levels and volume. Bro, that 25, bro. He's trying to sell everything at 25. If we get past him, my man's had 15,000 shares to sell at 25. Bro, calm down. Spread it out a little bit. Yeah, I know a lot of people do percentages. It seems a lot more complicated to me. Like it's always varying. Like my account size is going up and down a lot, you know. It's just more simple to me to decide on, all right, this month I'm risking this much per trade, and if I get below a certain threshold, then I'll drop. And if I get above a certain threshold, I'll increase my risk. We are politicking over here at 1924. He hiding his shares too. He ain't gonna put it up there until we get up to 25 on the ask. Yeah, me too, CJ. What's up, bro? I'm a huge fan of the R system. When I first learned about it, I was like, this is genius. Come on, man. I gotta wait through another pullback. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Shout out DOS Hotkeys, bro. Shout out Webull Traders for that awesome video that they got up there from like 5 years ago. Yeah, that's what's up, CJ. That's how you do it, man. That's really how you do it, bro. You start out low, man. You don't need to risk a lot of money to figure out this thing. You can start out super low. I seen knives and being showing trades like having days of cents, like 50 cent, $1. Like yo, it don't cost a lot of money to figure this thing out. Yeah, it's ridiculous to risk large amounts of money in the beginning. We all do it, but it's stupid and unnecessary. Must we come back down here? Must we? We are three up on the 15. Dang, I don't want to sit through another long pullback, bro. Maybe I should have acknowledged that seller at 25 and gave him some of my shares. It was kind of showing me some climactic action up here on the 1 minute chart. Hopefully, I have not been too stubborn. All the way back to 19. Hey, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Bah humbug. You ain't lying, HH. Bruh, I remember when I first started, I was like, all I gotta do is move 1,000 shares, 10 cent. That's it. I just need to move 1,000 shares, 10 cent. Not calculating how easy it is to move 10 cent in the opposite direction, bro. Oh man. Taking $100 L's as a brand new trader, bro. Like what? Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Slow down, Tito. It's not as simple as it seems. Don't tell people the secret. Yeah. I mean, a lot of people get touched that beginner's luck. My first trade was I put $500 on IBIO at 30 cent. That joker went up to $1.50. I was like, oh my God. I will never have to work again. Oh, is that what it is, Rob? Not to worry then. Europa. Europa. I ain't heard you talk about the European clothes in a long time, Rob. You still mess with that? Dang. 30K shares or 30K dollars? Big money bags. How'd it work out? Should have been 500K. What'd you get on it? How do you think? Oh man. I don't know, Bond. Could go either way. This is a low volume move back up. It's looking real sketch. Might need to move that stop. I don't want to know. Yeah, it sounds very scary. That's a lot of money to put in on your first trade. All right, we got to take out 25 this time. I've been patient. I've stuck to my plan. Where's my reward? I know, right? Bet more from day one. The day Betmore was born. The glory days. Yeah, man. Hopefully the real glory days are to come, man. Foolish day, yeah. I should probably move my stop up here. Oh, bro, I know, right, HH? We be looking like an anime out here. Come on, Spy, help us out, man. Energy saver. Oh, my battery's not plugged in. I'm about to miss my take profit trying to plug in my charger. Bruh, I'm ready to steamroll 1925. Ludicrous style. Man, the 30 minutes looking saucy. Oh, look at the hourly, bro. Yo. Yo. $20 in the bag, bro. $20 in the bag. Let the SPY bounce off pre-market high right here. $20. Look at this dude. 20K shares. Calm down, bro. Did it sell? No.
OLED.
Come on, knock this fool out. Come on. They are okay. Come on. Golly, look at all this. Ooh, bought it. Bought it. Bought it. Let's go. High a day incoming. 2 pennies away. Ooh, look at all that. Oh my
Order
gosh.
filled.
Oh my gosh. All right. Oh my gosh. Order filled, baby. All right, man. All right.
CORT.
Sold my 90%, banked my 3R. Now we just ride, baby. We just ride. Move my stop up under the 5 minute lows. We ride now. 1909, 1907. Let's go. Ah, yeesh. I'm gonna go use the bathroom now, man. Watch my stuff. Hit the like button. Ah, yo, yo. Top ticking, baby. It feels good. Yo. Chapter 7.
AIG.
It would have been sexy to snag another ad right here, though. It's all good. Nah, I got money now. Let's keep it all in perspective. We a little ways from that still. Still small time over here.
AIG.
Man, please hit the like button for your boy. We on, Bobby. uh oh yeah, I mean I'm realized 3R, so I'm moving my stop up under the 5-minute lows from here. So I told you, man, this thing, the hourly is too clean, bro. We literally had an hourly consolidation candle that we just broke above. Like, this thing about to run, bro. I probably should use the 15-minute lows for my stop for real, but I'm gonna use the 5. If it really runs from here, the 5 should be good enough. So 1920, so we'll go up to 1918 on this candle close. Yeah, I've been definitely adjusting my mind, Rob, on giving back so much after a win. That's why I sold 90% instead of 80. Like I reached the goal, you know. So there's no need to give back so much hoping for something that happens like
AIG.
a small percentage of the time, you know. All right, stop up to 1918. And let's keep walking. See what this little four shares, this little 0.4R can turn into from here. I told you, man, 47 was incoming, bro. I knew it, man. Once I saw the hourly, I should have totally adjusted, but you know, you got to do the right thing, you know. Selling through high of day is like a principle. What up, Jack? Yo, what's good, man? What is good, bro? Yeah, man, doing good, bro. Coming off my first profitable month since May of last year, and starting May this year off with a nice little banger. Nice little banger.
Order filled.
Just on GP, you know. Just on GP, sell a share, you know. Low 34.
TPG.
Thanks, bro. Actually, if it come back down and break that close, it's a wrap. So we're gonna go ahead and go up to 33. Is that a blow off top? What the one looking like? Yeah, that's pretty much looking like a could be the blow off top. Yeah, man. I be giving back way too much on the greedy tip. I'm done with that. Take the money off the table. You know, leave a little bit, but I hate it when I got my fire execution up here and then I got a big portion of shares sold like way further down unnecessarily. You know.
TPG.
$19.64. I'm here for it, Rob. I'm here. I got a couple shares for it. Look like we about to jump out right here though, and I'm gonna be just fine. 3.5 auras. Appreciate it, Knives. Man, I did exactly what I planned to do today. I came in, I waited for the open to shake out. I focused on the highest volume gainer and played support. It's simple, it's repeatable. Man, I'm trying to be him, man. Oh gosh. What a dream this life could be, man. To come in here, do a couple click clacks on the keyboard, and make a daily wage and be done by lunchtime. And then go eat something fire every day.
AIG.
Who knew trading was so easy? Yeah, right. Freaking hardest thing I've ever done in my life. In my life.
TPG.
Like, bruh, the amount of times my eyes done watered up. Oh my God. Yeah, for sure. It's just like the amount of the reprogramming you gotta do mentally to get here. It's a lot.
Order filled.
All right. 3.5 R's. Nice little level to level move there.
AIG.
Nice. Dang, man. Hell yeah. It is a good Friday. Oh man, when you come in on Friday and handle business and you can go into the weekend feeling good, nah, you know the job ain't even close to done. We got big work to do tomorrow. We got big work to do tomorrow. I gotta get in here for that study session tomorrow, man. We gotta go through April. Got a lot of polishing to do on this silverware, bro. A lot of polishing. Yeah, I think this thing finna run though. But I'm good.
AIG.
I'm good. I got the leg that I wanted. Top tick that puppy. And yeah, man, job is definitely not finished. Job really just started, bro. Like I'm 1 month green is really nothing. 1 month green with like 3 crash outs. Yeah, good looking out, Knives. Shut it down. Get the A for today. What I learned, improved upon today. Talk to me, Rob. There's always room to grow, Trey.
TPG.
Oh wait, what was it 3.5? Earnings beat, entry discipline 1, risk discipline 1, profit discipline. Profit discipline. That was looking shaky for a while. That was feeling shaky for a while, but I'm glad I did what I did. I think that's something I aspire to, Rob, but I just want to keep things slow and simple right now, and build consistency on that. Like, to me, that's something that when I've conquered myself, like literally my whole thing right now is conquering myself. So I want to keep things as simple as possible, you know. And I do see what you're saying. I can definitely optimize that move, and not, I don't need to sit through red, you know, but that would just require another evaluation of an entry, and considering, you know, reconsidering the variables again, and looking at a level. And if I buy it at the bottom of the level, like selling in the range, you know, my goal is to get a move from level to level. So taking profit in the range and looking to get back in the range, in the middle of the range, it's just not, it's not ideal, especially not right now. So I aspire to that, but I'm just not there yet. I'm still got my training wheels on, and you know, just getting that one entry right has been very difficult for me. So I got to keep it simple, man. That's all I'm doing right now. Just trying to keep it simple. You know, one execution, maybe an ad, and really, I really got to be more patient with my ad too. I just typed that in the DRC above that I want to wait. Just like I wait for red to take my entry, I want to wait for red to add. And yeah, so, but I hear you, Rob. You know, the day I get to that point, bro, we gonna be cooking up like crazy. But you know, baby steps, baby steps. Um, yeah, yeah, I know, man. It's definitely it's really nice, nice to coming off the green month is really nice, and then starting today, you know, for sure, is nice, especially after kind of crashing out yesterday. But yesterday really opened my eyes of my need to be patient, and you know,
TPG.
hearing HH's words echoing in my mind about letting the open shake out and not diving in so fast. Um, yeah, just being patient, man. Just being patient. I'm actually looking at this like, I wonder what kept me from jumping in right here at that level.
TPG.
Hmm. Man, yeah. Yeah, it's just like when I'm sitting, when I know I'm gonna be sitting in, like my winning trades are like an hour at least. Today was like probably an hour and a half. Um, but you know, there's gonna be pullbacks while I'm sitting there, and they'll, you know, sometimes there's some really nice setups to add to something that's working. And if it continues to work, I can raise my stop and cut my risk, and it just becomes an even better trade. But yeah, this one makes sense to my brain anyway. Appreciate you, Rob. Have a good weekend yourself, sir. Hey, that was easy. Oh no, we're in May now. 501. Dang. Upload it to the Discord. Link is in the description. Invite you guys to come participate in these daily report cards. All right. Trey got his up already. Per usual. Main man Trey. He's the one got me on these DRCs. They've been super helpful. Well, I guess that's it, man. Did the dang on thing, man. Just gotta rinse and repeat. Sitting out the open. Yeah, that's wild, Trey. That's wild. That's some nice consistency too, man. Man, the pod that I've been able to build since starting this channel has been really helpful. Like the amount of wheel spinning I was doing was diabolical. And just not even being able to see it for myself, that I just kept changing my system and changing, just moving the goalposts every day. And like it's impossible to build something that works like that. And yeah, it's not a bad idea. Got a few months worth at this point, I think. But yeah, just buying support, man. Like it's become super simple. Just finding the stock in play, mapping out levels, and buying the support. Evaluating the price action at support based on, you know, multiple time frame analysis and volume. Yeah, I bet. But anyway, man, super cool way to go into the weekend. Try to be here tomorrow morning bright and early for the weekend study sesh. Got a couple goals. What was the main one? Knives, you gave me a cool little mission yesterday. Um Daggone it. I meant to write it down. uh I think you said something like go over my best wins, or my best wins and best and worst my best trades and worst trades, or something like that. But my main thing in my head right now is to go look through my losses and see. I know there's like a repeating theme in there, which a lot of it is jumping in too soon at the open. I think using indicators as support instead of key levels was a lot, but we'll know for sure tomorrow, God willing. Actually looking at the stats. Um, yeah, man. But all right, y'all. I think I'm gonna go have me a little celebratory lunch here, man. Welcome to simple trading. Yeah, it really is simple, bro. Just really overcomplicating it. Really overcomplicating it. But you know, it's all done to get to here. You know, every step was leading to here, even the steps back. And I'm sure there will be more steps back. I know, bro. It's like doing mad calculus, bro. Doing mad calculus. I can't believe I done moved away from the making such a big deal about the higher high, higher low. Hmm. Ah, this is cool, man. This is cool. Dang, the market cap done went up on Riot. It was 6.2 a minute ago. Now it's 7.3. Interesting. All right, guys. Well, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Hope you guys have a good weekend. I'll get that review video up and hopefully see you guys tomorrow morning for the weekend study sesh. All right, man. Peace.